this.
When, from 10 a.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. Impact. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Areas of blowing snow could significantly reduce
Holy
visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning and evening commutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details. Snowfall rates could exceed 2 inches per hour. Locally higher snowfall amounts
No
can
f***ing
significantly snow possible. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. The following is a code.
No way, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, I just took a photo of that.